Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow someone in Kfriends application. So this is the home page, but here is not more friends. So how can you find more friend? So I'm going to find friends. Okay, simply tap on that, and after that you'll get here all the friends here. Like if you scroll, then you'll get friend here. Okay, so there are a lot of friends here. So how can you add them, or how can you follow them? So when you like any friends or choose any friend, simply tap on their profile on that, and you can see the option like a follow option. Okay, so once you tap on the follow option, just tap on the follow option, though it's now following. So whatever she posted, you will get the notification, or you can check their profile, her profile, like her keywords, personality. So everything is available. It's really simple. So okay friend, today's number, and thank you for watching.